ready to the rest. If you leave me a good time, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive, I'll be honest. I'm loving the thought of me, I am so obsessed. I want to chop your heart.
We are in Greece now, in Alexandroupoli. We came here with the car, and this holiday was very short one, just the one night, but it is very well deserved. We were super focused this week on the markets, and now we are about to get our rewards together. Come closer. I will request a payout from the trades that we made with the whole Discord team. This is just started from zero, from challenge account to a funded. Now we are able to withdraw $2,000 from this account. You can go and rewatch all the live streams on my live section on the YouTube, and you can see with your eyes. We came from zero, guys, and we are typing here the $2,000. This is a profit that we made from this PA account. And let it load. I'm not a robot, obviously, and hit the request button. So let's wait. Alright, we have submitted the payout request. Please wait for approval. I will keep you guys updated about this. This is my new account, which is a LLC Apex account, so that's why this is full new account. I just basically created for the new infrastructure that we're making. We created a new Discord group where you can trade live with me at least 3 times a week. So if you are just beginner or just starting out, this is a great opportunity for you, because when I just first starting out, I couldn't find anyone that I could learn something that fits my mentality and my trading psychology. So what I'm offering you is come and join us for free. There is a 5-day free trial at the moment, and we can close at this any time now, but make sure you check out from the link below. There is a 5-day trial going on. Come and hang out with us. It's completely risk-free, right? And see if it fits yourself or not, because trading is a whole lonely game. And I totally understand you when you lose your account and when you blow your account. So that's why I'm inviting you our group. This is a like-minded people, and you guys see that we started this account from a 50k challenge account in Apex, and we bring it to the funded account, and now we requested a payout together, and the whole squad in the Discord did the same thing. And this is a proud moment for me also, because when I see that all my students and groups making money with me together, this is something we cannot describe in the words, right? So I'm very happy with that.
Alright, so we dressed up. We are walking to the restaurant where we will have a dinner. It's a quite small place. You can basically walk anywhere you want. So let's catch you there.
The foods are unbelievable. They are so tasty, and especially when it comes to seafood, the Greece is your #1 choice. Now, if you excuse me, I will taste these beautiful things. I will enjoy this beautiful sea bass. Amazing.
From the city to the beach, you've had a nice in reach. Trading stocks, making moves. I'm the boss at 3, 2, 1. Got the hustle in my blood.